Three minutes to 4. Where are Kwaku Jesse? What are you waiting? You're Radia Yeno. A dosso do do. I told Anna dream one. I who the Yankan. You who said the Yen secret knew what dance and chairman sign. A match Bosomene there Tosso do enum the 15th of March 2019. So yeah, then I say one pen so the Andrew. Everyone also say no say dear Shamu be not now what you move. Ofie Kwanso me dey. Ye din na bury ye. It's a free sabe kwa kopim sebebo no nsia no. It is your own show. Ofie Kwanso. Adom 106.3 FM with me Jerry. Now me be phone lines nika crabby. Chese kitswebi. Na said I am a no. Mama Akwenya na also to me as show appreciation. Said their Fridays I no. Da obiase. Ne why ye be amawo. What I say? Dana say. Da the American say nyame ene bo nipa. Ya konche bon pie de asem to nyame anim. Say ontie na onom ye no moaye. Nanso ye nhie nyame in person. And now the sa blessings na amaye. Ana de hwehwe no ode ahye yensem. Oye de fa nipa so. Nanso nipa bi akoma ye den. Ebi no mo primo akoma. Obi wa otimi say unhira won ne nchen pa but akwa na akoma den on allow. And our blessings number. Nyame de say jana for padi so say onu na sese nkobo a. Bonus why na akoma bari. Empire oboyi na still. Oh, I say Pharaoh in Crawford. Let my people go akwesi that I won't allow. Etianu sa no pa bona anya dia. Ya na hadwen. And so the otia ye. Na de nyame de wunhira efa ne so no. Wa ma ni timu anya den wo side. Wa ma na koma anya bare. So concrete. Na wa jamu na chese wunhira no won saka. Onipa kono so da nyame ase wi aye ono so da na ase bi. What I say? Show appreciation to that person. Timami ma that opportunity no na FIN sape pepe. 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. It make appreciation here na baku bia besi mi mitri. Eti mama me fe no ron fa ni kan anza because eneye me ba nana friend my birthday. So exactly 10 years ago, like this day, ana oba asase so na enyame na emumu no mami ntuche mane mami say o mami kwa mami bieje nam so a na frempo ma ba nti kono so e na kuma dendende anka mini ba so nti se da mi kan no so kosi ho abia it's gifty amisha why are there say o carry na frempo ma for 9 good months e wo yam na wan yen say o yes stubborn anka wa ko ran to atwene was guess he be breza why trim brown na ya we go run country we wan just say away oh anka minim say me so metimi a wo etimi da wa say why I'm sure pa ya kana ka eti me my media and let me use that same opportunity na me fanka a big happy birthday and fama na frempo ma me na wie bibia da tia fi yan kwa man so na yan fa the account to us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, Valerie.
My dear friend, say
Vivian
Akwaba.
Yeah.
Me patrol yet you.
Yo. The me na sifa me madam. Me madam aye bia ma me pa. Me be fi adwuma. Me fa 3 years ni. Na me kan de me madam aye pa, Valerie. The me kan se nyankopon hira no. Me dwuma dia we bia, me se nyankopon se o ma de be bia enko so. Adom si amen. Amen.
Hello.
Hello, brother. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hey, I need to know.
Udem. Now, from say.
Your friend Deborah, Miss Percy Mamobi.
Great, me patrol you too.
It don't have to be why I'm mommy. Please tell me, mommy. Me papa scream, my bomb, me name, mammy, who buy will be our own touch in my. My son, that is a gift to you, who's last day. Oh, no, I am mommy, dear, and I mean, sure, pa. But the reason I mean, sure, pa.
Amen.
Yeah, why, mommy, at also.
Happy 75th birthday, and comma Mrs. Agatha Aqua of Tema Community 4. From your husband and children, they are all wishing you well. Say nyamen koswa na onka ona oma empumden na eko wanim sa benduka so say oma happy birthday pa yimuhwam. Next caller, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patro, your friend say
Medin Victoria,
you more Aquaba, Patro, you.
Yeah. Because for the first time, Mr. Kwabna Eukuluku, or wake up on him, Medana say he took me from nowhere and made me somewhere and put me somewhere. Yankopon, I'm listener. Adom baby, I also want to thank my dear husband. Never be brave, Sisi, and Kawase, and Kaibia, and Baby, and Kawarinigu. But for the past 20 years, we are still together.
Wow.
I want to thank Kwame. I love you so much. Thank you, Kwame. Thank you.
God bless you.
I mean, my own mother. See, that was say, my son must say a dingy now so. Unyame Haboteria shall be do baby. Wouldn't be in so we are going to say school day. What the end of credit baby I do. Unfortunately, my dad is no more. But I want to thank my mom as well. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Happy birthday, though belated, Uncle Emma Nana Yaboa or Hamburg, what Germany. Jerry, please kindly wish Rose or say Ajman a happy birthday for me. Okosku Okofridia Technical University from Kwanso.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Raja from Chile.
Yami Adom and then Suya Pa.
Ediamiasi. Ochini Agunenko.
Ochiko enim.
Edin Kawasi Yamisha Biwati.
Amen.
When I may acquaint Japan, Tumna Yasi Yamisha. Mindasino, where Mamifumia Sineka Wabum. Edin Kain backward in Kefeno Antigris. choba asalam da basi choba ono ena ma ifuje wo UK ene sama ono so UK bajari ma mi free ade a wo ye de ne dwen ho a mentia si de biara kese we say yankofo so obo ni free na no abo ne bo afopa o no kre yankofo wa fama miss message ade a wo de ye wo ye ma me no minimum baby na ne are oni se we mi bibi ni abruchi ensma meje we America na semi o UK bajari obo tumi breme abruchi ni o ma na minimum baby o otimi kan o ekeke ma me se ne wa fam se oba no ene ma me na o choba no ya mi se on dan asema mi fan se misi yankopon o nse on baby anti grace awe choba salam da abasi choba una meje wa UK ni sama Samuel to UK yami Israel oyemo kese na do amen
Jerry Marshall say come me fiancé Nana Pokuware. Welcome to Ghana, my world. And this one is coming from Nana Eyiwa. Nice one. Me first that can say bloom cakes and more. Bloom cakes and more. Cake come upon one man and African for my chest. What you say, Vim? Yami shamu pa. Yami old shamu more. Now face Yami sha Mr. and Mrs. Azu. Some cookies binomone, toffees binomone, nema binom so chapo. Yami shamu pa. Mama and African Poma Afilipa more. Hello,
Badger.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pacho, already on doom now, why?
I'm a doom.
It's you.
The Pacho, you family or say the Pacho free sentence. May damn me boss, the actual friend and now week ago. Badger, a man and another woman, and and our mammy and the two. We will need me, who bad was young, or 10 million.
Okay. That's a power. If you are not making one number one way she will be no good. Umpire wabon on and Yamada Fanso. Wamana come head. Uber driver keka wish you be a trucker while you have some more. Wama 5,000. Yeah. Oh, sister, dear Banasana announced what your appreciation what the Yamias was so one doni parkuna say. Matilda Gada, aka Ajo Black. Afe Nana. Ajua, aka Adrian Park Restaurant. Happy birthday, encore Mamu do belated. Yes, lovely ladies way. Yame Eshamuna pa. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Naomi,
Naomi.
Yeah, from Gomonano.
And you're doing great.
Jeremy Pewa some fun. Anytime I'm better me from Yamisanka.
Now you are
anytime I want to talk to you, always your line is busy. I have a friend called Rosemary. She said you are her role model.
Okay.
She really loves you so much.
Tell her I also appreciate her so much. Naomi.
Yes.
No, Bibi I'm fine. Why?
Okay. What the Lord has been doing for me is amazing. And I thank him so much.
Nice.
I thank him for taking care of such like me, even protecting me. I thank him a lot. I pray that he should continue doing all what he's been doing for me. Amen.
Amen. You continue to take care of you. Ora ho kra na obadwuma kra wani beje by force. Entu so sa wo fie ora ho kra na ti ofie kwa so wani beje by force. Greetings going out to you, Jerry. Hope you are good and everything is going on well with you and the family. Please, Daddy is 60 years old today. Please, I want you to wish him a happy birthday for me. He is called Kwame Brefo Appington. And he stays opposite McCarthy healed Pambros. Please, I hope you do it for me. From his sons, Gilbert Yeboah, Brefo Apentin, United States of America, Richard Brefo Apentin, also in the US of A, Gertrude Brefo Apentin, and then George Brefo Apentin, his wife, daughters-in-law, and then grandchildren. We all say we love him so much. Hello.
Hello, Roger.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Now, it's the same. Great. Sister Adwani.
Sister Adwani, you can afford him.
Who them go anymore?
With them. Roger, me so me denya me ase. So abom ho ban. Na brother ma me na de wabo me area so wabo me pa. Na na se.
Why?
I am a papa. Or the book adwuma. Or some me de me adwuma. Ti dey so papa ya ma ebe bia no. O ye ma me.
Great.
Na me sra no. On tia se de so me ka se na nyonyam. Roger, but I don't tell my universal why.
Yo.
Me share new tafo. Voice of Christ. Pastor Joseph Labi. Ono ne yere. Me tia o ma wie.
Amen.
You.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Jeremy Chawo. Enra na me mama ne birthday. And she's anxiously waiting to hear some shouts from you. She just called me to remind you. So we'll be very, very grateful if you can assist. Her name is Mama Mercy Boafo. No, today is her birthday. Yes. Mama Mercy Boafo, Tama, come to 2. Church of Pentecost. Oh, mommy. Mr. Boafo, mommy. Yes. Our shop or Mankwazi station one on. Mommy Nyamisha Wate. Pentecost Nyame Onsha more. We fear o man on chain. And no man and Nanumunina, Omunina. Say Omo Ewe show. Happy birthday. Mama Mercy Boafo. Eti Oba. Saya Boafo. Brian, why Nina? Or then the wife, Mrs. Boafo. And the more funny now, and the bush of phone now. Some will show happy birthday, Mama Mercy Boafo. What the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 2 Assembly. Healing Voices, Totrobanto. A bomb say, I am Zempi. Hello. Sorry. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Patrick Frost saying.
Matilda, we'll do some first charge.
All right. Patrick, it's you, Matilda.
We are missing the Yamiati. This is Yammy, grandma, me or cry.
Amen.
Yes, just to me, that my brother, Simon, we need this plastic. Me back, Graham. Jimmy, because I can't have no be open than an edge. But me, Banoman, Crano, me Baba, still listen. Me brother, we are in the Simon that, and I'm seeing the Diatina. Never can say, I'm in Shran, no ocean, and you know. You should be Yami and Yaman or Cano. Dear, come with me, but a Crahano. Me read you at Adom de Via. And see, brother, that year, Saturday, wedding birthday, they send you over. They say, Yami, near the Dimanyame. It's Mammy Dinner, or Mamma, no, but go for over breast. I win now.
What's the person we are, dear Manyame?
But dear,
okay, what I am, I have Kwan. Oh, dear, only on Moncasa, where you found number mom, almost the Mammy Mefro, why? I ain't found number mom, where you are Major Nama Fro, now I didn't come away. Ophelia, our United States of America, Columbus, Ohio. I said that is so sweet of you to appreciate your daughter's mother. Oh, Ben, then. If I had your say, 9 months, and this one is coming from the senior from Poma Nangasa. Me mami o me boss Aziz Wangasa. Also I send a happy birthday greetings to my and the granddaughter Nana Frimpoma say me the net to me mama. It's away from Ama Frimpoma. I say happy birthday to my sweet baby Nana Frimpoma. Mommy, Bibia Yuku. Ever for last caller, Nafe, you're the Diaka to us. Hello.
And there's a last caller there, and the kitchen, Baba.
Aha, your friend saying, Kirchy.
Raja, Rini.
Your friend saying,
I told me the Nanedu, Mikasa Fitazako.
Nanedu Koanim.
Ah, okay, so me come in India, and then I say, me papa Bako. Ah, why if your mammy, but maybe Kano, with the Nanko Ponce, so I bought me whole bank. I'm a bonny Bianca, me prophet and Nefi, Miss Rita Father, Michiano. I thought I was echo for also our better and more side on so Michiano, Michiatema for swinging.
Okay.
Adom Kalapati,
and then now why didn't I do? That's just all your last call, Lampa. Happy belated birthday from your wife, Lady Gifty Deborah, your children Jesse, Deborah, and Eastwood, and all the Full Gospel Church International Fraternity. To you, Reverend James Deborah, resident pastor of Greener Pastures Chapel of the Full Gospel Church International, Saki. Yesterday was your birthday. We say God bless you richly, and may the good Lord enlarge your coast in Jesus' name. May this birthday, in our year of loyalty, attract loyal people into your life and ministry as well. And another blessed birthday going out to my dearest young sister Josephine Ajekum Tufo, CEO of Ambience Spa. Sister, God bless you richly. Finally, happy blessed birthday to our daughter Nana Frimpoma. May God bless you in all aspects of your life. Wifi Eye Elmat, Ishra Ochre, Shraba Ochre, and Chen. Color parts ni basso den. Hey, Ochna. Accepted that. Ochna. A crab de bruta. What may be a way down. The banner nana for the grandma des no more dozo. Grandmother back on so I send in the back. Please wish my granddaughter Nana Frimpoma a very big happy birthday for me. I wish her God's abundant grace and blessings. May the good Lord pour his favor on her, and may she grow up gracefully to the glory of God. Wifi, Mommy, Helena Kutin, Nenchen, aka Helen K of Helen K Fashion. Tell my come with you. Mommy, my fuel. Everything will be in abundance for me. Everything will be in abundance. Now, Ansana, you bedim komo kakra. Ediafa, Adom Kala Party, you know. In fact, I'm loving Naomi, and Naomi is making my day. Naomi, why dinner?
Anytime I want to talk to you, always your line is busy. I have a friend called Rosemary. She said you are her role model.
Okay.
She really loves you so much.
Tell her I also appreciate her so much. Naomi.
Yes.
No, Vivi are very fine. Why?
Okay. What the Lord has been doing for me is amazing, and I thank Him so much.
Nice.
I thank Him for taking care of such like me, even protecting me. I thank Him a lot, okay. What the Lord has been doing for me is amazing, and I thank Him so much.
Nice.
I thank Him for taking care of such like me, even protecting me. I thank Him a lot. I
God bless you, plenty, Naomi. Naomi and more. It is 4:01 on 106.3 FM. Your baby tia somewhere due to your for a way. Many show BBS 3 days ago, Wednesday, you know, and Thursday, you the part 2 by, and then part 3 no the by no concluding part no. They are buried. But before that, we were two gentlemen who are from Franco Trading Enterprise. Almost kind of a day color party 2019 that just were family edition. I'm not temperature, Mama Kwaba.
Yeah.
Now, what is saying? Yes, I said from our night count to dash enough for your queen.
Your friend Jonathan. Me a wholesale manager of Franco.
Great. Great.
But was a traffic at Chico Krumpa, Franco Calapatio,
Gideon or Mariba.
Yes, Gideon them Cowpa. Great. Now, you knew Franco Trading Day, you know, a diagrache. Now, you share Calapati, a Banisena, most more as a modern Dom Calapati.
Mirase, was a Franco dear, Obo Franco Diana Adom FM. No, Obo Franco dear multimedia. Obo Franco dear Adom TV. Yes. The Adom 29 Franco 2. Franco 2 Adoma 2. I love that. The Yawari 4. Yes, Yawari da. Yes, I say Franco Nama Adoma Adom. And Adom Sunama Franco, so Franco. Yeah. So if you traffic at Chico Kwanso per month for a pentem. Abeto phone Franco and I'm a dominti. Yes. Ochina the Calapati Jinum. I love you. But you know, they are not and Pimpino, yen sponsors no say ye program be an event be to see na been one more almost service almost providing almost to me bow near there na and you be our channel ye ba be hu Franco Trading Enterprise for away if was the launch children's park one channel for sure said you money about phones any TV any laptops I would want Franco now channel ye di ni nyina e ba o a said you mu pudu no Franco Trading on say obviously a phone papa ayunfie TV papa ayunfie won ya laptop na ko jan bi to awato de bomb kankasa but oba ochina Franco Trading so only no ye chesa ni mani bi or China the pen drives I would over the power banks memory cards t-shirts actually into China be in share wow fine we dan come and because at the end there you see a drobeju we atima but ochina no ye no the ton chen my encrobatan kakare na ban twatwo my say ebia chiri obi person ba no ne Franco Trading for ebedinsa was okay so see Franco say ya launch Samsung S10 the whole Ghana Samsung S10 the series ni nyina S10 plus S10 EST S10E S10 normal ni nyina egu ho wow and do pe bi ata see oba okọ dabraka you will be horror cinema okay okọ hachu you will be hachu you will be wo kaswa you'll be what Bolgatanga to see a new branch of wow. You all the regional capitals. Sunyane, Brekum, Techimai, Foridia, Kumasi, over 4 branches of Kumasi. Wow. And also Franco Yeti, I want for Sufre. Oh, Matofon for Ache, there be Franco Bra, ye baby war, sweat, ye baby war, you will be yes, so kind the main capitals the Franco Trading Wall. Nigeria, the other one say, yes, I trade a ship. I see, and yes, I own Nancy Apostol Mquano Benyabi. But now, Fee, Neko www.francotrading.com. That's right. Francotrading.com, Neko order, Daniel Abro. Nigeria, Nancy, who say, I say, I'm for Eddie, the Obu, I know was your Watinia Manos was and more money. The patch was a one fair number, 0302. 225651 for ne confirm is empacho order if Franco ana in free amento all right o am for person with die din na eno chi no na say abode nyen sape you be a friend mobile app o call Play Store with my download na o download we are order o ti fear da bro delivery free ni atacho krama order roma into Franco Trading e be a shame am for me and as I say so I obia otufon tonga na habia fa na Franco obia otuton bia wonim se otuton bia ba jo so bia ogana bia Franco no mo fa no Ndi na Franco so. Yes, I who say that. Yes, I was also Franco. You
better was it. Tinyame Adom ochire behia. Na ye the color party na tuatua. So the next say color party. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. You so traso. Baby aduru ya ba beti asem adi tu yon fo na awie. E wo Ofie Kwanso medie so. Rashida in the UK. Also share. Nana from Pomanye. The grandmother spent a door so. The aunties most door so pa. So from her auntie in the UK, Rashida, I'm also wishing her happy birthday, wishing her good health and long life as well. Thank you so much. Jerry hope all is well. We are here, Mrs. Waffle. I say God bless you once again. Okay. And let me say, so do the neighbor have a can. I just say, now, mama, mommy, any ajimo pa. Because any birthday there. Let's with me, dear, no con anymore. Mama Mercy Boafo of the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 2. Okay, another auntie in Sudan Diaba. With Janet Nencheng from New York City. Happy birthday to my baby girl. More blessings. You. If I try Instagram for the end there, I mean, Casa Medical Radio now, they bet you that I'm good. Because messages now, what they bought for, and not from Poma and Dorsba. I could be correct. I was here, you and your daughter. If you had denied this pregnancy part, they are like then we are FE and then no baby. Then why deny? Why? Everything. I did me. I'm put up in the that way. Who says yeah? Show me not please, it's my birthday. I am 50 years today. Juliet Amwa. Site 17 Tema Community 1. Site 17. And a mammy so or also a birthday. We did 50 years and and Yamisha na medoka pizza. Me promise you pizza a chepa my but we won't de beba. Juliet Amwa. You are 50 years old today. Happy birthday to you. Watermark Community 1, side 17. I feel Patro Yenti and Nasa Mwa Yadi A2 and hopeful you made it so. Ta-da. Right, so 3 days ago, and I share we are say now as someone I share no venture out. You shall say last Wednesday. Now on Wednesday, no, they share you know. Or say, if you don't go after what you want, you will never have it. The Uhiano want to swan a more pan, Richard Quanya, and ya dear, on Sabit Miaka, and I beat me a dear. And that Thursday, they share no so Potoka Semen or say, if you don't ask, the answer is always no. So what me said there? And you're not real on no derby, meaning and ya dear on Sabe country. Itina SSA Utimi Ebisa. And then they conclude and venture out no. What Brofokasem no say. If you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. If you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. And no yo akan kasa bebu bia chamarones ko kan emri bia obutu no o se anu mantu a ogina ho ampa so begina ho so ontu ye but real you say anu mantu a obuada. If you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. That means abrabona ayebono esese yebo ekoye nim come what may esese wutimi tu anamon ewa abrabo mu in this life. One make some move na da bia no ba bia wona ho ana wa untimi improve untimi nko wanim. Enya sanso ne obobra obra no esese wutimi tumpon ewa abrabo no da ne da nyina said de ne ebekọ no esese wutimi build it on it tomorrow. Se nyame ma akwanya no say live again esese o ma sada no eye better than enra na chese wo de kọ wanim kakran. It is a one yen sa now the also ya now tiwa now don sa show dem rifemu a minua baby ate no ehwa na abekọ so atena miwa bia na nka wunya ya anka wo bia ekron wo baby anka kọ nanim ka watimi atumpon abrabu ka watimi amove do a certain level in this life. But because we make any effort bia to step forward in intino obekọ so atena baby a wotena. So note it. Say if you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. We any di trato and venture out. I started a year Wednesday year etwemu. Na chese kwan bia so no venture out. Esese utimi ye bibi. Piem na kwa wanim na ye bibi. We are na anye ye na ofeliku na you do it again and you will achieve something. It is better. So better now on your share. Once again, from Wednesday, BC and Thursday, or say, if you don't go after what you want, you will never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. And finally, if you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. Edwesi. First that can say my proud sponsors no. Na yen to aso medical catch say ne no. Ye ko now say Friday na kasa freestyle Friday what you say. O chana so na de eye color party ba no. Ti ye ko na ne ye de hiham, sa ne ye kwa. Aseda ene nei ye de ema Kojak charcoal toothpaste. Wunya bia o some problems ni na wa solve ni na awie. Eni ka sam ne say we you know Emma or seno enya hoden wanum te kama edaw pa na yede bidie ne yede aye usie bidie ne yede aye abodie mu hwehwemufo nyansapɛ mu hwemfo yam yehu se properties bi wo bidie mu a eboa nipa numu pa protector sene ma sene so san ye fe ye white kama na emoa bi a wo nipa yi wanum a yemfa ye ni enhunu wom na so hu hia o ese so mutimi boye no mu ho ban no ya na chemicals bibiri no eta kunkum wom na ma enema ese so mo ye no mutimi ye but Kojak charcoal toothpaste ebom ho ban na bibia e fine no mo so atimi ato so ayo mo adwuma e wo ho ni nyina mu no na ma wanum so ate wanya hoden pa kama pa na tie wotai no mti obi de ope coffee pa otimi no coffee anopa wi anumre obi de ye red wine obi so di colored food spa obi so ne besen de won fani agro so wo wie ni obi de cigarette to ada oseso asteni oseno use Kojak toothpaste ibi na efa choose ne hwa de ebe clear some problems we na de free ho ama bibia ye fine o wonu mo Kojak for na akofa de aba correct pa na de me kan say ukokro mu atoba akone fa brafi mo usual toothpaste na mo de twi mo se no wo de men wo ho na mom weekend ya bai say no wato eti mu twitwi mo se akosi Sunday anwumre na fe Monday morning why announcement wo fi no aka family ni na say sa week we mu de ma fa toothpaste na to a obi anyusu we bi na ye nhwa de experiment mo nyusu no from Monday to Friday now the we are mo am check results no from there no and you be a bad advice so say ma eno emeye regular toothpaste menka sa ho nche okọ kanshi drug lane obehu Kojak farmer ho dodo bia ohia bia no sa be kan yes afre 0249209920 afre 0244674400 FDA ayen kratu mu hwemu agya tum say correct enye sa nka menye afeti Mighty Power range of product we no e buy say ba beboa na bibia koyie e de amount e wo redeem eti enei say waye mre kodwo to e wo mpam be me na obesa gina na so omoja ntimi ni afrisane eye efia bam e be purify ni na na circulate correct afi waist pains ni joint pains ni na no Mighty Power tonic ne the capsules e be di wakagina mu wani so wisi ni na be ko your Mighty Power X piles ointment eno de piles ne be X na chese kane ha e betwam na e kokra obi wa ne de se keka na ani obi de timi ye ne yasa pies e tumoja sa so ba se be wakwa fichire ni na to betwa afi Mighty Power keep fit laxative capsules enso e wo ho ya wonya bia eboa yie pa yi amaman na sansan yam a yam yemre na ukọ agana so a wa mre don your Mighty Power hair cream so ho utimi ebefu ayebrum fefefe ba bia etutututu ene de ebubu ne de etitini nyina bejai na ayebrum fefefe correct pa ene your Mighty Power beauty cream ene clear black spots and wrinkles na ade ni na brighten natural skin no oh color na da so kama na fin so kra no asama skin na soft pa per product in there be from pharmacy shops name herbal shops across the country. I'll be to me at Mighty Power Company. Now I the door power mun chain 0243 122 192 afi 0242 725 009 Mighty Power or say it's your potty say go right yeah we say you know you be say ewuram kakra still a color party 2019 edika ka chem ache program no ache papa na wochena wa ma bia wagya ho gbin wagya ho big time cause anije wo no doso dodo anije wo no e doso dodo now yene healthy life for enso betwen kom akra almost can be pa ene edi dwumedi bro madam me patro me mo akwaba
enya
na bibia boko de na patro your friend say
patro fami
Evans na healthy life for what to say
so Adom obia ho ye
great yehwe de di kan yedam ase se mo de mo ho abeba ta Adom FM na color party musumu gina bi dendenden but ka kire e de na mo e de ma Adom FM adofo nyina
me da se pa na me fa konwe na me ntia otifo ni na echina nyame adoma se o kan no kala kala party na yo ye echina no ye wo special package ma Adom FM ni omo be ni na de be ni se ye be ma free drinks wo be bia no drink ka obenya na de obenya bi pa ho say ye happy delight 250 ml ni 1 liter ni na obenya bi free ano ye be sache go extra so kan ye product ni bi na ye product for cry ya say ye Casabella malt na so na ye be sache mo bi nya bi ye be sa obi ho ha e bia wo mbese wo to ba ko anamienu no ye at the discounted price with me then atoyi akofi
enti amanfo e beba dwumadi na se no on betimi anya mo product ni bi e wo ho like right there and then na on betimi anya bi wo na prices no emu ye de
pa say kind once ye chamo benya ni free no price no dey just like give away price ye be ton awo na mo bi anya bi
na yenhwe say event no ekọ awie a say amanfo pemochira kwan a eno so ne ho hyehyɛ te sen
so pemochira kwan a ye wo Kena Farmer North Calation on that area hona ye wo enti upeachira kwan na back na Farmer so ya on sabekan osako spinter so a hona ye fashion wo sako so on sabekan
right my contact number na fi ye influence na the account de ochina ye nto aso e wo ye for Sutherland Children's Park enti my contact number
pacho upe biato a number ba free 026 051 0000
pacho tisuma ende
026 051 0000
all right e beda wase enti nyame Adom a ye behia ochina 9 be me de me ba ho 8 ti do ochina no ye be hia na fe ye de aka na atoa so why ye da ase pa Radio Gusu Trust where Adom 106.3 FM. Happy birthday and come my Louisa Abna Asinyiwa. I'm waffle. Oh, so manya. May God bless you. And then may He elevate you from grace to grace. Okay, with fear African and China. Happy birthday soon come Laurentia or Marie from La Trade Fair. May God bless you. May He bless your new age and increase you. Yeah, from grace to grace. Yeah. African track grace to grace. This one is also coming from Africa. Woo! Yeah, tried my dear, so and come baby. Now you are
anytime I want to talk to you, always your line is busy. I have a friend called Rosemary. She said you are her role model.
Okay.
She really loves you so much.
Tell her I also appreciate her so much. Naomi.
Yes.
No, you have been fine. Why?
Okay. What the Lord has been doing for me is amazing. And I thank Him so much.
Nice.
I thank Him for taking care of such like me, even protecting me. I thank Him a lot. I pray that He should continue doing all what He's been doing for me. Amen.
Amen. You continue to take care of you. Naomi, me go so me so mon just on bet me track your number na me. I want to send some mobile money to you. Me I Momo on the MJ.
And come here. Justice.
Mighty Power Tonic Esihopoti Manu mama me hoye fe Mighty Power Cream Masro mama redia ye trum Mighty Power Hair Food Amma mitinya ye fese stretch ya huma Mighty Power Laxative Ahu me yam ayi me yam finina Sankai boy FDA ajiatu
Atie bisani agrono na se wonim dia on said you enu nti na me kire wo Lucky Herbal Clinic no
na hwese ba ma se me pa na koko agye me sisi aboso na mentumi mbo adwuma ye wompam na awo nso abome Lucky Herbal na dia ma ye lucky
yadia ben ena call Lucky Herbal antimi answer say ya diabetes say ya stroke yadia say ya hepatitis enemu yadia oba ananse bema ti yadia krankro ana infertility ni nyina no Lucky Herbal Clinic ebetimi akwama
Lucky Herbal dia botre di mfidie pa be ye woni padua mu hwehwemu ehun yarea ne dia bibidro kradie tu ase enu ti ena yabo Professor Noble Stephen Yabo abaso bebrenu o Lucky Herbal headquarters ewo gomo ogwa krom ba junction ni aguna so do kwantimpon no so o masai won krabata ahodo edumienu ewa Ghana hanomo from ewa 0243 201244 and now 0277 465855 Lucky Herbal Clinic. Why you lucky?
Odo, unsweetie,
Love ice water no. Odon swa ejua koma.
Ghana se ukwesia da ebe
Obaya would then now be feel it. Trabia Messi. Next side attraction no Eberson Road here. Then we are edited with Pokia 101 live on Adom 106.3 FM. Kwesiada any kwesere bi ab.
Shai ewo kofodia. Sama kede dansuman sakaman dakuman ashaman konyako. Daddy papa say hoy baby bia wo bia aduane bia wo bia. Odi shai anase hweye ni yebeba ho. Ye ni wo abebe didi wo. Jumedie JM Ado and Sons Limited. Jumeko amu ye gorgeous olive oil. And now Wembless 400. And now Amalina Children's Haven. Your one-stop shop kiddie mall.
And to share no OPD Opebia.
Anime. Pokia 101 Papebi Ewa Adom
106.3 FM.
Shane su say no me no kopem no me sa. Na ebeya gomze. Edidie. Won this say. I want you to follow you.
The gospel show is different. Yeah, you bring that job. Don't the stage. Hey, Kassa. Obapa Christie. Rangoba Management. What's the name for the album launching in the report? Watching me. Sunday, 17th March, ICGC Holy Ghost Town, Adenta Frafra, 4 p.m. sharp. Obapa Christie. Rama. What 10 Ghana cities able to? Possible for us on Zapo Buenjang. Obapa Christie. I'm for free. I'm coming on Miss Oniaba. The launch of free was in the 17th March, ICGC Holy Ghost Town, Adenta Frafra, 4 p.m. sharp. I took the free put down the Orbite Obapa Christie Chilo. Metal, Sissy Chum, Empress Gifty, Joyce Blessing, ESC Esther, ASP Officer, Brother Summit is 17th March, Obapa Christie Mama Adenta ICG's Wyatt. Sponsor, Frankie Cleaning Services, Pro Royal Investment, Stage R, Dependent, Rata Moto, Fortis Olive Oil, Adom TV, Adom FM, Joy Brand.
Color party, oh, color party. All about African party, the Assembly Club Hall. I am remix. If you're good, you can be brain as Shimukina. I am family edition. Breaking the Kiankasa, who's sending an answer of every presenter, colors, and Rami and Yen. You pay a cooking competition. You have a Lutu, Dummy, Ori, and Colada Pansicasa, and you good Yannika P. I am to Fuakuda, my passage, I was saying, why in a dance was Sebabia. Mobile Baggy Road, who be yet to Diankasa. So, Tiatua from an answer perfect. Wash out, don't TV. Once every second, I'm moving to me at the free. Flat screen TV, phone, laptop, etc. Paso Memeda, 16th March 2019. Our Fiesta Children's Park. And upon a Crocos and Human. I am free. Yannis Cabia, Mama and Papa. Mova, Colonia was shooting in Amram and Nippon Saturday. Adom Gala Party. My worst yesterday. Mambo Peters. Barima. Franco Trading Enterprise. From Papa V. King City Real Estate. #1 destination for proper home. TBS Roofing Sheets. Roofing Papa V. Papa's Pizza. Taste it. Love it. Mighty Power Tonic. Esiwa Poti. Papa Spaghetti. Tastes great and delicious.
Healthy life. Loaded with taste.
Nice omega-3 sunflower oil. Good health starts with good food. Nalem Clothing, the confidence aid.
Adom Gala Party. All about.
I feel something in a something in a
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Tune it in. Hey. Turn it up. Rip off the knob. Success music. Although we know the see so. And yan and me be she no be able to me fool. 99 solo kume no the key so. Maswansana fe me share no so. Me do for me show me no be able to chill. Me do da makoma so ti me set o. My boys nya sese o. Mo frɛ wa chill. Although the kume ne send ya wo sresre. Ocheche mami anopa kata me ho anadwofa ahofe omo meka kaseda na wada pese why not you ase awon pa de pa ahofe fa wabusu abra ye num ye sikasa busu na gye watuma ye ko hu sofo ampo odo aye sempa bo mu gu ahodo wo hu guarantee kakraka susu na eri bo senye hyenhye mo nyina na yeska kokko say mommy any kum. When who hammer no you kum. Still say me no you tum. If it timra me share with you behind and this sum. You don't senka enye yanka against for you fum. Odo ashe makoma ma. You don't sausage ama. Oso me sene nana. Timi hu na me mfe mama. Me come brody. Me hu any ma me denda. Against if we when you come na would me shida. Me don't body dia kono as a French rice. Tell everyone who they talk say we ain't Christ. Me who left right. Me show what to with left right. We be two baby be here. I no go think twice. Odo de da me form me dot me yemo come. Eba na di judge be stop me am.
So we did this show fuku che na aduane ni gina wo na yi mframa bone so wo tu kwan na obosof no ana say wi ahye honam na ama honam na ni ayetum ana wakwa afuom na nsa so na hye na honam na kikao ana say nsa wa gugu basa heat rush wadra ne Starwen milk of magnesia so ye matim no aye basa na say bi wuntimi nko agyanan a Starwen milk of magnesia beboa wa mo anya de broni friend of free bows Starwen milk of magnesia ebeboa abusuamu ni nyina every titi adro tatahwe obi agye atum Starwen milk of magnesia enya na wo chemical shop any pharmacy e ben se nanu achi na hu sisai bia Mr. Kohu doctor FDA hwehwe se dwedi nkrato imu agye atum se ye Brana be show me what Total service station to see ebusa trotro taxi ni commercial drivers are members for Total Taxi Club no mu fa no ma papa ni achedi ahodo a onya se members e wo club no mu mi se me adwuma don ke mi ko mi ko bo drivers are wo nyina ma ne se Total for no card no mo de ma no e no kre nyentro nyaza Total for ya de pa so mo dwene taxi driver de trotro for no station bi no amatize wo ye bi apart from Total enti e bo ma ba so Tine kase Total no esi your boss fa unu abeka ho nso betumi abeka Total Taxi Club e wo Total service station bia ben wo enhihye kakra wo ho Total card Total savings Total benefits Total energizing life every day make money wait Ghana for Mediasempa now and found when you work at now bottom. Also bet to me at Assassin. Second Kings Real Estate and this what you really say. Obiabe to me at Assassin. And Sassine boy of Fuankasa. Not it a year. Muslim be anyhow. For 2,000 Ghana cities petuasie. And one no Assassin Yawodia. Nofi. What you had can sope. And Sassine Biododoa. Ayikuma. Ningo Chopolinia Masamai. What building materials be answa. Second Kings Memobi. Now what Triana Kakranka. Ope win up again. She's Second Kings. Our Denta, Quail Filling Station, and I do from 0244 645 784 and 0266 620 701. Second Kinsana, a him for fee. Second Kinsana, the home for kings. Feel jai churches. Drugging up with way no more witches. Checking what's up, now me chow tickets. Bread fear misses, now me try me kisses. My shit. My shit. I want to
Madia Chimeshia. Pachivia see you be so meshia. It's a breathy bedroom in Michelle Meshia. We don't be and yes, Sophia. What time second tanker and no Vikia. Let you be so padia in Pia which ya. It's you say a movie as a say that chia. Yahu Hamio, you can go. You so came out soon, no be came out you. You said be memory won't may anymore. One of the petty brand. I'm a genius. I didn't money baba be if you're back woman. I'm gonna be a member. In Chichimi, wow woman. Hey, say I free me, I'm a making come what she want to them. I need money baba be if you're back woman. I'm gonna be a member. In Chichimi, wow woman. Hey, say I free me, I'm a making come what she want to them. Painting away number one. Number one. Missy, I don't yet go. I'm Brazil. Obi at my say. And yes, I want fainting away number one. I don't number one. Your back like plantation. Turn around the rotation. Baby girl, you deserve a standing ovation. Baby, I go. I go. Baby, I never see your type. My girl, I like your vibe. For your loving, I go die. Baby, I go. Baby, I never see your type. My girl, I like your vibe. For your loving, I go die. What's it?
Yeah, all the pretty things you do. Yeah. That be why I know they take you for a fool. Although you will be one, no be two. Girl, I never see your type. To be honest, that's the truth. Hey, all my exes be taking the piss. They see that I love you, it's making them sick. A trip to Hawaii, a trip to Dubai. In few months, baby, I'm a spot to the kid.
Baby, I never see your type. My girl, I like your vibe. For your loving, I go die. Baby, I go. Baby, I never see your type. My girl, I like your vibe. For your loving, I go die. What's it? I praise the man.
Yo, baby, I need my Becca. My God be my provider. He be my protector. So I go higher. Yo, baby, I need my Becca. My God be my provider. He be my protector. So I go higher. Oh yeah. Me nyawo bi ampo body. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well.
Me nyawo bi ampo body. I don't do them anything. If you say me another day, if you wish me fire, then go to hell.
Me nyawo bi ampo body. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Eva, Eva, I still dey fight for the paper. Love me now, no be later. No be later. Eva, Eva, I still dey fight for the paper. Love me now, no be later. Nana nyami, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mama. Nana nyami, keep mama, keep mama. Nana nyami, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mama. Nana nyami, keep mama. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well.
Me nyawo bi ampo body. I don't do them anything. If you say me another day, if you wish me fire, then go to hell.
Me nyawo bi ampo body. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well.
As God bless me, my friends gonna bone me. I even lost all the homies. They all judge me like a Tony's. My eye red from the pepper where they show me. She been on my turn now, so people want it vex. Can't forget the time when my pocket know the rest. I'm on top when God bless. No weapon from the games, my neck shall contest. Amen.
Shame on you. I pray my God go favor you. What we they do be deja vu. Omunya and kefied. Shame on you. I pray my God go favor you. What we they do be deja vu. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well.
Me nyawo bi ampo body. I don't do them anything. If you say me another day, if you wish me fire, then go to hell.
Me nyawo bi ampo body. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Eva, Eva, I still dey fight for the paper. Love me now, no be later. No be later. Eva, Eva, I still dey fight for the paper. Love me now, no be later.
I praise the man.
They call me
Dr. Dollar
I slap police for your case. I go to war for your case. I go to court for your case. I climb the bridge for your case. Enter water for your case. I punch the judge for your case. Anything you want, baby. That's for you, baby. For your case, you. For your case, you. No. For your case, you. For your case, you. No. 'Cause my papa no be Dangote. Oh, I but we go there, okay. If not to suck it, guy, we go suck it. What the hell are you waiting for? If not to fry a car, we go fry. If not to suck a car, we go suck it. Fire gas, yo. Fire gas, yo. No. Fire gas, yo. Fire gas, yo. No. Cause my papa no be Dangote. Oh, I deleke. But we go there, okay, yeah. For my papa no be Dangote. Oh, I deleke. But we go there, okay, yeah. Yeah, I go shoot for your case. I go slack back baby for your case. I go call MC Oluomo. I go report all of them. I go shoot for your case. I go slack back baby for your case. I go call MC Oluomo. I go report all of them. Fire case yo. Fire case yo. No. Fire case yo. Fire case yo. No. Pem pem, ijelebe. Pem pem, ijelebe. Pem pem, ijelebe. Pem pem.
Black Jersey on the beat.
Can't promise.
That's a dead minister and Yaya Swan. Just about him, I will ya media. I hold my chin with the woody to the swat. Turn up board in, I'm a beer. It can't sumo me song. It lobby care, came me back home. It can't sumo Boko Don. It draw me against Bako.
Can't chase my life. Ever since she came out, I never felt this way before. Yeah, I'm looking for a boy. See, baby, I go hold you. I keep your heart, girl. I never let you go. Come on, oh, bye, baby, yeah. Oh, bye, baby, yeah. I never think that I'll be falling in love like this again. Oh, bye, baby, yeah. Oh, bye, baby, oh. Hey, baby, oh.
What else? Up in the bomb bedded. Yeah. I can see my shorty from the driveway. Up in the pedal, so what can I say? Anything we do it our way. How many times with a kiss? All day. When I tell me look for back a shaze. Me who na me put on do a baby.
Jerry the just, Jerry the captain, Jerry the man who our number one super with the lady. Wow!
Every time I hop on them and the ISIS, no matter what we make and also be a crisis. But we feel it when you wanna do the right thing. Make I put a ring on it and me forget to strike in. Big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. Listen to the song I sing, but the pound belly. Walking on the beach, hey, daytime, night shift. I can't wanna hold down, no be prepaid. You did this, I want the Gucci and about me. Yeah, me gonna be post, so chow man. Put on the man, me put to say Shaolin. And then my bomb me violin. Shorty really like my thing. I say me you're exciting. So your body be enticing. Taking in the water than I'm in the ice. If I was sitting in my man, I'm in your supervising. You feel it when you wanna do the right thing. Make I put a ring on it, and me forget to strike in. Big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. Listen to the song I sing.
Jerry the just, Jerry the captain, Jerry the man who our number one super did. What?
What else? I'm gonna be bumping. I can see my shorty from the driveway. Up in the pedal, so what can I say? Anything we do it our way. How many times with a kiss? All day. When I tell me look for back a shaze. Me who na me put on do a baby. Or coming home from nothing up to the payday. Could they do the JJ? See, girl, me I want drop kiss. Can you give it to me like this? If go shopping, I forget the prices. Every time I hawk on the mid and the ISIS. The makiwa kumeja and also be a crisis. But we really want you wanna do the right thing. Make I put a ring on it, and me forget the striking. Big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. Listen to the song I sing, but it be pumping. Walking on the beach, hey, daytime, night shift. I can't wanna hold down, no be prepaid. You did deserve all the Gucci and about me. Yeah, me gonna be post, so chow man. Put on the map, go to the Shaolin. And then my bomb me violin. Ah, surely really like mine, thing. I say me you're exciting. Joy your body be enticing. Taking in the water than I'm in icy. If I was sitting in my man, I'm in your supervising. Ah, you really want to wanna do the right thing. Make I put a ring on it, and me forget the striking. Big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. To the song I sing, with the I me forget the striking. Big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. Listen to the song I sing, will it be pumping? Walking on the beach, hey, daytime, night shift. I can't wanna hold down, no be prepaid. You did deserve all the Gucci and about me. Yeah, me gonna be post, so chow man. Put on the map, go to the Shaolin. And then my bomb me violin. Ah, surely really like mine thing. I say me you're exciting. Joy your body be enticing. Taking in the water than I'm in icy. If I was sitting in my man, I'm in your supervising. Ah, you really want to wanna do the right thing. Make I put a ring on it, and me forget the striking. Big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. Listen to the song I sing, will it be pumping?
Ever since she came out, I never felt this way before. Young boy, daddy. See, baby, I will hold you. I keep your heart, girl. I'll never let you go. Come on, bye, baby, oh, bye, baby, oh. I never think that out before, and I'm like this again. Oh, bye, baby, oh, bye, baby, oh, hey, baby, oh. Kim promise. Me name it off wash it for mama. Me who said them poisa. Sana them poisa.
Ofie Kwanso. Ofie Kwanso. With the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Sana them poisa. Love being in your company. Here with you is where I'd rather be. Give you the best of me like it's supposed to be. And girl, I love it in your company. Here with you is where I'd rather be. Give you the best of me like it's supposed to be. I know they won't make you go, won't make you stay. That watching your pretty face. Turn it up. Rip off the knob. No, they won't make you go, won't make you stay. Staying back watching your pretty face, baby girl. I'll be selfish with you. Yeah. I know they won't make you go, won't make you stay. Fall in love watching your pretty face. Selfish with you, selfish with you. No, they won't make you go, won't make you stay. Fall in love, watching your pretty face, baby girl. I'll be selfish with you. Me name it off for a shed for mama. You who said them poisa, sana them poisa. The temple wine, come on and enemy. I'm a who said them poisa, sana them poisa.
station in the city. 106.3 FM. Be on top.
I want to wear designer. Yeah, Master Shady.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Say my favorite it's been a long time, girl, mommy, who anymore? I know they complain, mama, so sending me for the best I contain, mama. I say, wouldn't to me, I really wish I would be the first to board. Say, would you move on? What's that, so be, I might be the first to call. Oh, I did wish that I have wings like Adom. I go fly away to my love. Oh, baby, money, 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 oh, baby, money, 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 pray for money for my pocket. Every day we dey work hard, build a house for my mother. I want to wear them shoes, Tommy Gucci and the Prada. I see they get control, make you not forget your brother. As we they go higher, we never go down. Take one bottle from my head, yeah, G&E. We know they ever look back, you call your name.
With the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. With the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
And they buy and quest ya do.
Tune it in. Turn it up.
When your mama mention love, Jara coming too. So we the party all day. I hand my baby and show you. Oh, me the rabbi. Yeah, the party all night. I hand my baby and show you. Oh, me the papi. Papa Yanni, Coach Yanni, Papa Yanni, Papa
Yanni, the time I soon. Lupo be wa catch me fear unlock no hall abo. And Shamamba, Bakama Park, Uba, one from Upa Mafu. Kwesi what town, they say MP what town, about Umis, Mbabana Mabu. And so be a bella mbule ken anta midim party papa forget to bar on the fala cry. Yeah, daddy die, I guess in it. I see you don't know patu panka so chimatula. Organize a chibiti, I guess if you live Uchimatu finity, Miami DDB, DJ dropping a melbaya movie.
We the party all day. I hand my baby and show you. Oh, me the rabbi. Yeah, the party all night. I hand my baby and show you. Oh, me the papi. It's the Yanni, Papa Yanni, Coach Yanni, Papa Yanni, Papa Yanni.
And then yeah, Bessie, we got that body for you. Remember, boy, I'm we no go stop your shin and I drove fast. And then you Bessie, you're plenty so watching the play.
Make I love you, baby, overdose. Give you all my love, baby, overdose. Make I love you, baby, overdose. Give you all my love, baby, overdose. Say my baby, they do me better. I know go fit to measure. Give you all my love, baby, overdose. Say my baby, they do me better. I know go fit to measure. Give you all my love, baby, overdose. My sugar, shady cocoa. Anywhere you go, I go follow it. If you live in me, girl, I go die, yo. Hey, make you not do me, say they want no. Baby, you be if you need me, I go there by your side.
Check the time now, 4 minutes after 5 on 106.3 FM. Yeah, overdose. Yeah, baby. Number 5 say na endra. No appointment be pa whatever. Now as I say me do tema sharp right after close of work. And usually na N1 so on say from Fiesta holiday kwa see tete question so no na traffic entire terrible. Tianam so and my missus some kakra. Na me far ring road you so. Na maintain 37 road used to me do Flagstaff house one Jubilee house way. My wire fan chain walk off switchback road no so. Na me dia kosi. El walk way. Yes, me ko be my camper. Oh, now my far overpass na ho nase ho. Na my fasa airport bypass a boundary road no. Na come dia womu asro. E dia kopie palace more ho. Na chese come dia san ties mu baby e se o man foforo na me dia si moto we no so. Ewura de menu me ho. Me say me gina airport boundary road me gina fa ko sa na me hu ana was it Kenya Airways na Abelande na me hwe flight ni sa me hwe plane sa ale kwa me say gina wa na plane asa for dipa na say to afiga na come so what baby we do temana dia sa na terrible traffic. Hey, Anana Bibi Nesiana all the time. Is that how the place is? No way. Many ho get to Quanta. Hey, and tell me, just say, Chrome to say, Anna. Also, one quarter traffic, Yawa BM. Mubarak, ya, Kubu. You would. Now, Giant Ray.
Gradually, with Malam Jackson, Papa Bipa, gradually. Gradually, we just start traffic. I had just Ukuma, just a different group, crash. Let's say, Upakaneshi, Abaya, Malam Jackson, and let's say, Udu, Kaneshi footprint that you are traffic in the super time. As a class, Moria de Buesto, at Papa, just a order and what he Ankasan. Uplay first light also, so not a buy unam uba Dakuma dancing. Oh, dear, Mr. Quino Edom Kakra, the Ukamu bit Matias Kakra, Akobe, 40 mobile. The Momuya drew a butcher or doko, butcher and Petemore, so I know I take a crown. I just do 3 more badgery. I would do any Malam that the bit Matias, but people a bit well. Malam market traffic lights now, or bit Matias, with blue, or just what will book a cry, or Kakra, wobble air condition, or only a Bocacra. No move you on us, which I'm going to say, do a Macati who's a badgery. Also, beginning and then she cast now every I can ask La Pasa more for a Casua and I read that in Petemuno. That's a fake life now. I said in Macas, no, I hectare scatter. Winam, Mamma Cabo, moving to Martin of your room, and it's just more. Twin drama winter with the cat. I'll book more. I am a boy, your mom, some free. I am with the almost more power. Almost so I will boom hot and I had cut and audience so better police for a month in concussion or engineer free flow of traffic. And she said, oh, but I'm better not over Kanesu by that audience traffic and audience. And if you a shortest route to be a bit enough for first life in better more honorable and wet master and it's and to graduate. any traffic situation at the many Bradbury.
To was it. Okay, police Benia. Issue by our interview. Heritage okay, no. Okay, sir, police Benino.
Police, yeah.
Heritage Catano. Papa Nishiawa. Oshiawa.
David Klu.
You. Oshiawa, I don't even you.
Oh, we need the cross too.
Hey, bye. Yeah, try to be there, so. I 106.3 FM.
If you love someone,
with your team again, chance. Or say happy birthday going out to Nana from Poma.
Give you all my love.
This was hello, Jerry. I want to wish your lovely daughter and my granddaughter a happy birthday. And that may she never lack anything in life. May she be blessed beyond curse. From me and the family. Amen. We love you, Nana from Poma. Hey, I saw the keys at 2:1. And then, me mommy back on birthday. Your friend Antina Nama. Obia friend Antina Nama Naku of Nako Fashion. Hey. And you know, Anka Adom FM Matema, and the Ayatema for Munasa Minasipa. Antina Nama. On the ma Adom FM Batema. You feel Adom FM Yina, Oshiampe, eh, Koku. Eti Muni Kosuchum Kasana, and where they won't cry. Now, some mommy. Was it you may not know? Give you because it's too bad. I shut down your new station. I'm crying. But on my own, almost the oil. Says, I'll no more. I said, well, South Squad, no. Papa, thank you for why are you? Oh, Mama station, you baby, overdose. Eddie, happy birthday, come on, Atina Nama. Love baby, overdose. Mommy, meba na. Ya proper chiwa. Give you all my love, baby, overdose. And you're from Rich Love. Oh, London, you are 6 years old today. Happy birthday to you, Nanefia, Rich Love. May God bless you from your mom. Nenya Kwa. Nenya Kwa. Anywhere you go, I go follow it. Okay, yeah. Believe in me, girl, I go down. I do marry. Make you not do me, say they want no. Baby, you be my daughter. Happy 10th anniversary to you. An adorable daughter. Nana from Poma, age with wisdom and grace and knowledge of God. Great we are faith. Sent in this one. And this is the song. Kwame MP. I'm out for girls. Fishing medical. CMG baby. This is my boy, baby. I'm out for girls. Even if you get back. I am a team and you. Nana Nyanta. And also say on the 24th of March, a neba birthday, your friend Nana Ajewa Abuaje. Not with it 5 years. And then a happy birthday in advance to her. And then a happy birthday. Going out to you, Abigail Baka. Oh yeah, Düsseldorf. happy birthday going out to Joseph Kwesi Ofosu, New Tafo Catholic Church, multi-TV accredited dealer and installer. Our new Tafo Achim, Nachim Tafo. From the Nat Bedi there going out to you. And a happy birthday in advance. And come on, Cynthia. Oh, Hamburg. See, baby. Yami Adom and your birthday. And a happy birthday also in advance, also going out to Mrs. Azu of Tamas Kitchen. Tama come to 2. On also a birthday no Sunday year baby. Now I bet to party. I want person about party ni bino. Just so me invite me now. I'm in chain. Yes, I'm no more invitation. It is Sunday. I bet to party. I want a mass kitchen. Near they are celebrating your mama, Mrs. Azu, Auntie Amelie. Happy birthday in advance to you. Me patron yede Didier with Pokuya 101 April. Sunday ya edi animu ye kwasi da we ya. Make sure the 17th of March 2019. Ano pattern na sha se kopim so bebre hosted by Pokuya 101 and then OPD. Na jumedi no e baso e wo P1 Supermart and Kitty Closet off the Spintex Road Community 18 Timber Market area hona Waterworks. It is sponsored by Amelina Children's Heaven. Hona benya mo frani mo papa ni na to. Powered by Pokuya 101 Concept and Adom FM. Na me patron say oh yeah. Restaurant be na bar be na pub be na joint be. Now per se edidie team no eba ho a. Edi dwumadi be hye so a. Me patron mo dey answer be contacting. It was 0544 113 131. Na ye di hun komo. Bibia dem kama. You saw ya Kyle Malfoy where Guaranteed Trust Bank on your Mudinsa was one. More banking with Guaranteed Trust Bank is a name. Yeah, your mobile banking platform 737 you cannot open an account in less than a minute on your mobile phone without having to visit the banking hall. Yes, unbelievable, but it's true. Very simple. Just dial star 737 star 1 hash on your mobile phone and just follow the prompts. Obey enter our preferred 4-digit PIN and a new GT Bank account number will be generated for you instantly. It takes less than a minute to do this. So just try it today and smile. You know what I'm saying? Say bibi chiro so abetimi afre na ya assist 0501 449 481 and off 0501 409 490. Simple banking for every Ghanaian. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Petra Trust. Also Guswa Kyle. Say so Timijina. Not that Shabrabono Emuya Kama Edemao. It's your mobile not down. And then I want the I'll bet me the cacracy. The two the cacra, not the cacracy. Nemomuno. And yes, the cow digua diamond nature said that your future and be good the amount there be. How much control you have over your money. And to Jabibia, Petra Trust. Sebeya. Efficiently on Betimia Bow. Now our control Sikano through savings, investments, and pensions and the account be brave. For Petras is here 0242 435 037 or visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. Certain thing, it's nothing thing, it's nothing thing, it's nothing thing, something. Once again, many thanks to Bloom Cakes and more. My phone now, mommy. What the United States of America, say. This was a share. My granddaughter birthday, no. Jay to boss now, okay, got me some more Roman or the other. Oh, me miss a crown, Yamisha. You will kill me, make you know we. And our friend Pomada was it. Freddy's Corner said Branabeji mobile phone, papa. All the latest mobile phones in town in now are available at Freddy's Corner. Oppo, Samsung, Nokia, and also iPhones, Infinix, itel, Huawei. Phone be just name it. There they be a band mobile phone repairs pa, and a laptop repairs pa, yeah. The whole country. Yani Tesla. All types of computers, mature laptop computers in the bags, mobile phone accessories, printers, kitty tablets, gold curved LED TVs, computer hard drive. Nina, we just bejo there. Head office at Bay City Light or Kokomlemle. I feel next to other rice restaurant or Kokomlemle. Sprinters Road, the gas furniture, Temayo between Casino and Community One Police Station. And I feel you were behind the Holy Gardens Police Station or Kwame Nkrumah Circle. Upium Wokumasi or Sacrum. You're Prempeh 2nd Avenue. Any OGNTC building needing you anymore. Kumasi on our best we are on Hapa Road where Doom. You're best Stanbic Bank. Freddy's Corner 0544 959 195. I face 020 793 7323. Freddy's Corner, your authentic source of latest mobile phones and accessories. Check it out time now, 19 minutes after 5. Go to tier 106.3 FM. And of course, this is your own show, Ofie Kwanso. Now, and Crawford be fair for me. Ebisa me numbers be near the idea. I'm saying, you better trust me. Can't you better how you say? I am not a near Chimusa. Yeah, we share one corner. Why you bet me the fellow? Tia Kaya Mutiana Mutiani. Who be yes, some would show me to our Montron to a precon and patcher. If you patch up one, I will be saving some information once again. Any Giant Tech Limited. Giant Tech Limited. Life is good. Yes. And we are about to make your life even better. And saying Giant Tech Limited. Running 100% of free labor charges on repair and maintenance on all LG products. If you purchase what LG products be, say your TV and not say home theater be, just say any product be a electrical appliance be a LG brand or not. Me patro Fabra, na ye repair man. Ye nji labor charge be a free. Ade a say ye wo ho no say ye top parts be function de ye ma wa free no atam ade ko. Nemo we be ade a say on say ye top parts be na wa top parts no de a hye de ma free. Na call baby. So